If you've been using My Service Pro for any amount of time, you're very familiar with work orders. But we had some customers say, hey, there are different situations where we want to be able to refer to the work order but not lose our place or close the screen we're at. I'm going to show you two scenarios or two cases where you can access the work order from somewhere else. So the first place is from the invoice details. I'm just going to click on the Invoices tab here, and there's an invoice I have ready. I'll click on that and then click here to get to the invoice details. So there's different ways to get to the invoice details, but whenever you're at invoice details, you will be able to see now that the work order number is also a link. And if you click on that, it's going to open the work order up in another tab. So this is key because now you can very easily refer to that work order without interrupting what you were doing. So maybe you're in the middle of invoicing or doing something with the invoice that you need to refer to the work order. Well, it's already open in the tab there, so you can just bounce back and forth as needed. One important thing though, in any web application where multiple tabs can be open, you want to make sure to close this tab when you're finished with it because you don't want to have a whole bunch of different tabs opened. Okay, so that's accessing the work order from the invoice details. The other place where you can access the work order is from our purchase orders. The way you get to those is by going More, Sales, and then Purchase Orders. So here I have a few purchase orders in my list, and you can see the work order numbers for each PO are listed. So I'll just go ahead and click on that first one, and just like with the invoices, that's going to open up the work order in another tab. I can come back here, and if I need to drill into that work order to see some details, I can do that. Maybe I need to refer to the work order for something else. Maybe I just want to put some notes in here and I need to check the work order. Oh, okay, well I can get that information and then hop back over or click back over into the PO. And when I'm done, go ahead and save that. And again, remember that that work order is open in another tab. So go ahead and close that tab down. Okay, so there's a couple ways where you can access your work orders in My Service Pro without losing where you're at in your flow. Make sure to check out our other videos with helpful hints and tips, and keep an eye out for new videos as we're continually developing new features.